Welcome to Blake's Den, and in this video I'm going to see if I can get this Santa Fe up and running. For those who don't know, this Santa Fe was my daily driver for a few years. Prior to this I had a Subaru Forester which had control arm failure. I'd inherited this car, but it sat for 7 years. I resurrected this car just before COVID, got it back on the road, used it, and sadly last year I retired it or put it into hiatus. Kept it because I didn't want to get rid of it. It's basically just too good to get rid of. And it's sat here for about 7-8 months now. And I was working on the caravan yesterday and I thought, you know what, let's try and get this up and running. So yeah, let's just take a look inside first. So inside everything looks fine. I put these things in. Oh, that one's spilt over. It's supposed to be like minty flavour or minty smell to try and keep rodents out of there, but it doesn't look like they've moved in. So I also put some fuel additive in this as well. So if I pop the bonnet and put a fresh battery in, I'm confident this will just fire up straight away. Here's the beast, the 2.7 V6. Combines the performance of a 4-cylinder with the economy of a V8. Yeah, that way around. You can see I wax oiled everything under here as well, so it's all nicely protected. I serviced it before I put it away, but let's just check the fluids. Yeah, we've got nice clean engine oil. And have we got coolant? Yeah, coolant is full. So I'll pop a battery on this and see what happens. So I've got the battery, which is fully charged. Hang on a minute. There's a bit of smoking coming from that. Let's see if I can get the negative terminal to stay on. Okay, that needs tightening up a bit. Let's see if we've got any signs of life inside. Yeah, interior lights on, dashboard's lit up. Cool. Right, I'm going to tighten down these terminals and then we'll go for a start. Incredibly warm in here. Let's see. Oh, it says the boot's open. Don't think it is. 47,000 genuine miles. So what I'm just going to do, I'm going to turn this on, prime the fuel filter a couple of times. Here the fan's blowing as well. One more time. Right, will it run? Bit lumpy, but of course it will. Fired up straight away. It's a Hyundai. And yeah, there it is, running fine. I just noticed we've got grass growing up through the engine bay. But yeah, it's running absolutely fine. Smooth as anything. So I've noticed I've got a puncture here. So well, not a puncture, a flat tyre. I'm going to pump that up and then let's take it out for a little run. I've aired this up and it's as quiet as anything running. Smells a bit stale fuely, but what do you expect? Window still works. Oh, this takes me back many hour in this car. So should we see if it drives? Let's turn the heating off, into drive, bit of revs, sticky brake at the back there, and straight out. Just like it was parked yesterday. There we are. It's running fine, a bit smoky, but it smells very petrol-y. Now I've had a problem with a petrol leak on this before. Around here, can't see anything coming down. But yeah, I just can't believe how good this is, and how just, in fact, it started up straight away. It was a tiny bit stuttery and now it's found itself. If I just give it a, it was just like it was, you know, parked yesterday. It's absolutely fine. Just cannot believe how well this is running. It's whisper quiet. Let's see if the aircon works. Well, the compressor's fired up. Put the temperature on to low. I think that's blowing cold, you know. That's blowing cold there. Wow, this is a great car. And just like that, it's all over. Back in its slumber. I'm amazed at how well that was running and how just smooth it was. I knew it would start up straight away, but it's genuinely been, what's it, June now? It was October when I put it away. So October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. That's like 9 months it's been sitting here and just fired up straight away. Bit smelly, but that could be the wax oil I've put on it as everything heats up, or it could be the fuel additive I've put in. Not 100% sure, but yeah, it's all good. So I hope you liked this video. Just a very quick one, and I had a spare few minutes to kill, and I thought, you know what, will this run? And it does, and I'm happy. So thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. If you did, press that like button below. Got any comments or questions, drop them below. I respond to all of my comments, and please consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.